Patrick, or Cash Money himself, of the Cash Money Boys YouTube channel, has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him, and here's what he did with it. He sent some pictures of the progress at the start of the work he was doing, and then he sent some video clips, as you're going to see here in a second, of the completed builds. I love what he did with them, and he has a story behind it. In the post-apocalyptic era, demons emerged from the depths of the undead. The remnants of man, the last humans alive, have been spread out throughout the wastelands, searching for food, water, and fuel. They must eliminate all existing demons, living or unliving. These are the driving forces that seek out these last days of humanity. The demons only seek two things: fuel for power and remnants of man for more power. Out of all the things he built, I love this one the best. I really like this ship sail concept boat land yacht. These are fantastic. He has more full videos on his YouTube channel. I do have a link to his YouTube channel in the description of this video, so be sure and go check him out and see these videos in full. And I hope you like these as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.